Hi kids!
Wow!
So many playthings. This is a fish. Sky blue color, yellow color. Another fish. White color, violet color. Fruits, strawberry. Red color and green color. This is kiwi. Green and light brown. This is shell. Violet color. A dolphin. White and light blue. Let's join them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No.
6,
Wow!
brush. Now we will write alphabets. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green. Wow, so many things. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Do you know that they all are erasers? You can also separate their parts. A butterfly, black color, green color. This is so nice.
Wow!
Second one is a flower. This is so colorful. A red color flower. Third one is a bird. This is cockatoo bird. Yellow color. Join them again. Black color butterfly. Red color, green color. A pink colored bird.
No. Whoa! Wow!
So many erasers. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a popsicle. White color, pink color. Wow, ice cream. White color, yellow color. A burger. Do you like them, kids? Wow, a cola drink. Now join them again.
Hiya!
Now keep them aside. Popsicle, burger, ice cream, cola drink.
No.
Hi kids. Wow, so many things. Do you like it, kids? Let's open it.
Whoa!
Do you know that they all are erasers? Let's play. This is a tree. You can also separate its parts. Brown color, green color. This is also green color. A pineapple. Yellow color, green color. This is sweet corn. Light yellow color, green color. This is a banana. Light green color, light yellow color. Wow, a teddy bear. A yellow color teddy bear.
No.
Let's join them again. Now keep them aside. A teddy, a banana, a big tree, sweet corn,